FastTest proudly introduces the HeaderMate Series EHL electric header connectors for battery pack leak testing. Our expert engineers quickly tailor designs to meet your specific header needs. Sealing electrical headers can be challenging for EV engineers, especially with small radius corners. To tackle this, we collaborated with industry leaders to create our EHL connectors featuring a proprietary design that ensures a consistent seal around non-circular ports, delivering the durability and accuracy required for high-volume EV production. The HeaderMate EHL offers multiple actuation options: manual for user operation, pneumatic for automation, and pneumatic with Icon for best-in-class automation. Icon is our intelligent connection technology that ensures safety through interlocks and detects short connections to prevent false failures. FastTest provides full battery pack leak test coverage with connectors for VDA ports and degas valves. Visit fasttestinc.com to get started.